Surah Abasa, he frowned. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 42 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
عبس وتولى.
He frowned and turned away.
أن جاءه الأعمى.
That a blind man came to him.
وما يدريك لعله يزكى.
You never know, dear beloved Prophet, he may attain purity.
أو يذكر فتنفعه الذكرى.
Or pay heed, so advice benefits him.
أما من استغنى.
As for the one who did not care,
فأنت له تصدى.
so you pursue him.
وما عليك ألا يزكى.
And there is no blame upon you that he, i.e. the disbeliever, does not attain purity.
وأما من جاءك يسعى.
And as for the one who hastened to you,
وهو يخشى.
and he is in awe of Allah,
فأنت عنه تلهى.
so you overlook him and turn your attention to another.
كلا إنها تذكرة.
No, indeed it is advice.
فمن شاء ذكره.
So whosoever desires may remember it.
في صحف مكرمة.
In revered scriptures,
مرفوعة مطهرة.
elevated, purified,
بأيدي سفرة.
i.e. written by the hands of scribes,
كرام بررة.
honorable, virtuous.
قتل الإنسان ما أكفره.
May man perish, how ungrateful is he?
من أي شيء خلقه.
From what did he, Allah, create him?
من نطفة خلقه فقدره.
He created him from a droplet, then formed him through stages.
ثم السبيل يسره.
Then he made the path easier for him.
ثم أماته فأقبره.
Then he caused him to die, so he made him enter the grave.
ثم إذا شاء أنشره.
Then when he wills, he will bring him forth.
كلا لما يقض ما أمره.
Certainly not. He, man, has not yet completed what he, Allah, commanded him.
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه.
So let man consider his food.
أنا صببنا الماء صبا.
That we poured down water abundantly.
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا.
Then we split open the earth considerably.
فأنبتنا فيها حبا.
So we made grain grow therein,
وعنبا وقضبا.
and grapes and fodder,
وزيتونا ونخلا.
and olives and date palms,
وحدائق غلبا.
and dense gardens,
وفاكهة وأبا.
and fruits and herbage,
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم.
as provision for you and your livestock.
فإذا جاءت الصاخة.
So when the ear-piercing cry will come,
يوم يفر المرء من أخيه.
the day man will flee from his brother,
وأمه وأبيه.
and his mother and his father,
وصاحبته وبنيه.
and his wife and his sons.
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه.
On that day, every individual among them will have a concern that will make him oblivious to others.
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة.
On that day, many faces will be radiant,
ضاحكة مستبشرة.
smiling, celebrating.
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة.
And on that day, many faces will be covered in dust.
ترهقها قترة.
Darkness will cover them.
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة.
It is they who are the sinful disbelievers.